Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off comments on your Facebook app. So let's start. First, open the Facebook app. Now tap on three bars on top right corner. Scroll down a little bit, tap on Settings and Privacy and go to Settings. Now scroll down. Under the Privacy section you will see Public Post. Tap on that. Here if you scroll down a little bit you will see Public Post Comments. To turn off comments on your Facebook post, either select Friends of Friends or just Friends. If you select Friends of Friends, only your friends and their friends will be able to comment on your post. And if you select only Friends, then only your friends will be able to comment on your post. And your changes are automatically saved. And if you want to turn off comment for a specific post, go to your profile. Now search the post you want to turn off comment and tap on three dots and tap on Edit Privacy. Here select Only Me and no one will be able to see, let alone comment on your post. And that's how you turn off comments on your Facebook. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.